Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. So in this video I am just going to try out a bunch of new products. I want to say full face of first impressions. Yeah, so let's just get started. First of all, I am going to try out the new Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. And I got this when I was in Manchester. It is cruelty-free and vegan, and this is the shade F1. Ooh, look at the applicator. Interesting. Like a huge shape tape. Ooh. Okay. I have no idea how much I should have. And I'm not wearing a primer underneath because I don't really care for it that much. Actually, this looks like a good match. It didn't really cover my huge pimple that I have right there, but let's just use some concealer on that. Right now it just looks like a nice medium coverage foundation. And of course we are going to try out the concealer as well in the same series, and I have it in the size in the shade C1, and I'm gonna use this underneath my eyes and also on some pimples and stuff. And this concealer is the one that people think are very similar to Shape Tape, and as you guys know, I love Shape Tape. I'm gonna put on just a little bit more because I have problems. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of the white one. There's not a lot of white concealers that are actually like nice, so we'll see. I love that. Ooh, it looks so good. I don't have a new powder, so I'm just gonna set it with my favorite powder from Nabla. Yay, I'm going to try out the... Oh, maybe I'll try this already. This is the Maybe Baby blush stick from Nabla. Yeah, I'll probably try this. Ooh. Okay, I think that I've already tried this, and I think I remember loving it. A note on the foundation. It's already cracked a lot here in my laugh line, and I haven't even laughed that much, so that is a real con. Okay, I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit with my beauty blender, and then, as I said, set my under eyes and my T-zone with the powder. Let's set this as well. We'll see if we could help with the creasing. Why did I bake? I never bake. I look like a panda. While I let this bake, I'm just gonna go in with my my brow powder duo from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ash Brown. I've been really into powders for my brows lately. I like it. Please tell me what you guys think of the brows. Maybe I can do a poll up here if I remember. Okay, let's take away this cocaine. Then some contour. I never want to change up this routine. I love the Shading Light contour kit from Kat Von D. It's just the absolute best. I always go back to this. And for those of you that have been here for a while, you know I always contour right here, right here, my jawline. I'm gonna bronze, and I'm also going to contour my nose and my bottom lip. And to contour, I'm gonna use my new favorite brush, the Suede 235 Contour Shader. And then I'm just gonna blend it in a little bit with my beauty blender. The only new highlighter that I have on hand is the new collaboration with the Nikki tutorials by Ofra. This one is called Cloud 9 and is a very pink toned highlighter. I'm not sure if I'm like the most hyped about these pink highlighters, but I do think that it can look cute. And I think that this also could be really nice with the look that I'm going for. And now a lot of setting spray, the Dewy Finish setting spray from NYX Professional Makeup. I might go in with a little bit more blush later on because I think that it kind of got removed, it disappeared for some reason. But now for eyes, we are going to go in with the Identity eyeshadow palette. And if you don't know, these are from Beautybay. I also have it in the shade, ooh, here we go, Evolve and also Origin. This that I have right here that we are going to use today is the one that is the most colorful one. It has 42 shades, and they are from Beautybay, and it's like Beautybay's own brand, and it is cruelty free and vegan, and it looks amazing. I've not tried this at all, not tried any of them, so I don't really know what the color payoff is, but they look really nice. These shades don't really have a name, but they have like a base, transition, crease, liner, pop, and highlight kind of thing. And then you can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'm going to mix these two, so number 2 and 3 of the transition row. And I'm gonna put this in my crease, like a transition color. And we'll see how it looks. Okay, very, very pigmented. We'll see if it's easy to blend out though. Yeah. And I'm also going to lightly put it underneath my eye and really smoke it out. Ooh, super, super smoky and very easy to blend out, honestly. And now I'm gonna go in with this purple shade, and I'm gonna layer it all over my lid. And then we'll go in with a liquid eyeshadow and create like a cut crease, I'm thinking. That is so nice. I'm thinking to take this number 2 in the pop row, and I'm just gonna layer this shimmery purple in my inner corner. Oh no, I've just noticed it's the sun coming in. Looks kind of cool though. Oh well, okay, that was a lot of fallout. Whoa. At least you could remove it very quickly and easy. But the shimmer shades, or shimmer shade I should say, I've only tried one, but it was very powdery, but still very gorgeous. Now I'm just gonna go in with this liner row number 7, and I'm gonna put that one mixed with the purple a little bit more in the outer corner to darken it, and of course also a little bit underneath. This is not at all a collaboration with Beautybay, but I'm honestly loving this palette, and also I love the huge mirror. It's so good to just travel with, I'm feeling. I hope that you can see I have these 2 liquid eyeshadows. One is from Pixi and one is from Nabla. And I'm thinking to use Nabla first and then Pixi over top. So I'm just gonna take the Nabla liquid eyeshadow in Ethereal. Ooh, I'm getting flashbacks. I've said that before. Ethereal? Yeah. It's something else that was called Ethereal. What was that? But I'm just gonna take this in my inner crease, and I'm just gonna try and blend these together a little bit and let these dry. Okay, it is dry, but I kind of have a hard time opening my eyes. Can you tell? Because it feels like I have so much on top of my eyelids. But I still want to use the Pixi eyeshadow, so let's just go in with that. This is the Liquid Fairy Lights in Sunray, and I'm just gonna put that right on top. I feel the inner corner is very subtle when you compare it to the lid, so I'm going to go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Primer for pigments, and then the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter in Electric. Ooh. I love that it has a lid like this. Anastasia, good job. I needed that. Ooh, that is pretty. Okay, the glitter gets a 5 out of 5. And now we should try out the Isadora Precise Roll-On Eyeliner. And I've tried this one before, but this is the matte version, which I think that I will like a lot better. And if you saw when I tried this for the first time, it's like a roller thingy. Let's see if I can show you guys. It has like a little, like a pizza slice. I don't know, it's really weird, but it's a really cool concept, and I actually thought it was easier to apply than I thought. What the fuck did I just do? Okay, I take back everything good that I've ever said about this eyeliner. I hate it. So I'm actually going to fix the lines a little bit with the dagger liner from Kat Von D because I need it. Alright, at least a little bit better. And now I'm gonna go in with the highlighter again that we used on our face, and I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone super quickly. And now lashes. These might look horrible. These are from Rouge and Rogue and are the style Lioness. I'm going to apply 2 of the new Worth the Hype mascaras from NYX Professional Makeup. First of all, they have a new waterproof mascara in black, and then also one in purple. So I'm gonna use the purple on the bottom lashes and then the black one on the top lashes. Okay, honestly, is this really what one coat of the purple mascara should look like? Just because I really wanted to spice it up with a cool shade, I'm gonna go in with the Linda Hallberg Calm Mood Crayon. It's a green, and I'm gonna put it in my waterline, and then I'm just gonna apply the black mascara because no, not impressed. What should we do now? Should we go with the purple maybe? For lips, I'm thinking of a purple, just because I like purple. I think it will suit my hair. And I have the Lime Crime lip liner in Magic, and then also the Wet Cherry Gloss, also from Lime Crime in Black Cherry. And I'm thinking we could try that first, at least. Maybe I will change my mind. You guys know how it is. Ooh, I thought it would be more pigmented, but this was a fail. I should have gone in with the lip liner all over my lips. And then also I think it's a little bit too warm tone perhaps. Okay, we're going to try a nude lip, and for that I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner in Dainty Daze. And then I'm gonna go in with the same Suede lipstick. As you guys know, I've been really into glossy lips lately, so I think that I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. The Fenty Glow one is my favorite, but this one was just released, and I think it will suit the eyes as it's a little bit more cool toned. Alright, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of blush. This is the Tarte in Aparte. And then I think we're done. Alright, so that is it for this look. I'm just gonna go through a little bit of the products and tell you guys what I thought of them. First of all, the eyeshadow palette from Beautybay. This is not a collaboration at all, but I am really impressed by them, and they are vegan, cruelty-free, very, very affordable, and personally, I shop all of my makeup at Beautybay. It's just a perfect site for me that live in Sweden to get some stuff that you can't get here. And I think that these are super good for people that don't really have that much money. You get so many eyeshadows, and it's really good quality. I really like them, yeah. For the foundation and concealer, I think I like the concealer a lot. I can still, I can see that it looks really nice. It doesn't really crease a lot. There's like not a single concealer that doesn't crease on me, but it doesn't look like it's creasing that much. Although the foundation, I have to try out of course, but it did sunk into my laugh line a lot. You can still see it, and also I have a scar right here, and you can see it quite clearly. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can, and I don't really notice it with other foundations. Other than that, it looks really nice. The Ofra highlighter I thought was kind of boring. The eyeliner sucked. And the purple mascara also sucked in my opinion. The other mascara, the black mascara, was kind of like just nothing special really. I really like the Fenty glosses. I've tried them before, but I just wanted to include them because I really like them. It's probably one of my favorite glosses. And then for the liquid eyeshadows, I think that the Nabla one was very stiff, but it feels a lot better right now. I think that the Pixi by Petra was a little bit more lightweight, but it might be, I don't know, I can't really tell because I used this first and then this on top. But yeah, still a lovely shade and it looks really good right now. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. If you have not already, please check out my vlogging channel. I'm going to vlog when I'm in New York, and I'm also going to London, and I'm going to Finland, and I'm going to LA. So you should check that out. And also I do like just some random vlogs sometimes if you want to see that. So yeah, that is it for this video. Have a great day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video.